six Grand Masters for this event. They're all extremely accomplished. Marianne Drenny, Hurley Hayward, Scott Pruitt, Jack Rash, Bobby Rabel, and Wade Taylor. What a group that is.
And they've all done their own, they've all got their own specific part of the sport that they've excelled in as well. That's what I love about that group, is it's a good variety. Also, the Porsche Carrera Cup North America as well, which will kick off at Sebring. And Jeremy, you have the privilege of calling the action in that series. And I have to say, I really enjoyed the racing last season with those new 992 machines.
Yeah, it was fantastic series of competition last season, and this year is going to be arguably better. There's going to be more of the new 992 cars in action. There's 30 cars on the grid for that championship. Both of the top two contenders from that Porsche Carrera North America last year here in the race today. Seb Priaulx, who spent some time in the lead of the class, currently running in third position in LMP3 at the moment in car number 33. And his main rival and teammate last year, Kyle Van Gogh,